Hi, little gems. Boo is here to tell you an exciting story. In a vibrant forest, three chirpy chicks, Ruby, Sky, and Sunny, nested among emerald leaves. Mama bird, with feathers of wisdom, whispered tales of the skies. Today we shall dance with the wind, Mama bird announced. Ruby, the daring one, leaped into the azure, followed by Sky and Sunny, creating a kaleidoscope of hues against the heavens. As their wings painted the sky, new friends emerged. A sage owl, a melodic robin, and a playful hummingbird. Together, they harmonized in melodies and shared tales beneath the emerald canopy. So kids, if you want to explore the world and make a new friends, you must come out from your comfort zone and don't be scared to take new steps in your life. Hi champs, thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this story. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.